How to post anonymously on Facebook. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to post anonymously on Facebook. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so are you a member of any groups on Facebook and you've seen people posting posts on that group, but you're not able to see who the user is who's posting that question or post? Well, I'm going to show you a quick way of how to do this through the Facebook app on your mobile phone. So first, what you need to do is head over to the Facebook app and then go to the group that you'd like to post a question or a post in and post it anonymously. So once you're here, you'll see in the middle of the screen where it says write something in the same way that you'd normally write a normal post. Tap on that, and at the top here you have the option to post anonymously. So if you just tap on that toggle, and it will say anonymous posts help protect your privacy so you can feel safe posting personal content. So the posts don't include your name or profile photos, but group admins, moderators, and Facebook can see these details. The details you include in an anonymous post could reveal your identity. So to protect your privacy, they've turned off some options. And lastly, anonymous posts go directly to admins and moderators for approval, and they'll let you know when your post is published in the group. So if you're happy with that, just tap on I want to post anonymously, create your post, post it to the group, and then when it gets approved, they won't be able to see who's made that post. And that's what it takes to post anonymously on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.